Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Newsbrowse News broadcast. Oil prices climbed on Monday as renewed military hostilities between the United States and Iran threatened the normalization of shipping in the strategic Strait of Hormuz. According to Al Jazeera, Brent crude rose approximately 0.9%, with futures for August delivery reaching $73.21 a barrel. The increase follows a weekend of tit-for-tat strikes between the two nations, which undermined optimism regarding a potential ceasefire. While earlier reports suggested the U.S. and Iran might hold talks in Doha, the latest violence has renewed market anxieties. Analysts noted that the market had previously priced in a reduction of the war premium, but current events are serving as a stark reality check. Meanwhile, Asian stock markets showed mixed results as investors navigated both the geopolitical tensions in the Middle East and concerns regarding the long-term profitability of the artificial intelligence boom. Toyota Motor Corp announced that its global sales in May decreased by 7.2% from a year earlier, totaling 834,279 vehicles. According to Kyoto News, this marks the fourth consecutive month of year-on-year decline for the world's largest automaker. The downturn is largely attributed to sluggish demand in China, where sales slid by 31.7% to 102,299 units. The company noted that a difficult market environment in China, coupled with rising gasoline prices amid ongoing Middle East conflicts, has weighed heavily on performance. While global production also fell by 5.5% to 765,470 units, the company saw growth in some areas. Domestic sales in Japan rose by 11.1%, and sales in India increased by 15.3%. However, exports from Japan to the Middle East saw a sharp decline of 65.9% due to logistics disruptions, and overall overseas sales dropped by 9.6%. Toyota continues to navigate a challenging global landscape marked by regional conflicts and shifting market demands. According to a report by ZhiPingFang, the Embodied AI enterprise ZhiPingFang has successfully completed a significant new funding round, raising nearly 5 billion yuan. Following this capital injection, the company's valuation has exceeded 20 billion yuan. The latest funding round highlights strong confidence from investors, with continuous support from state-backed platforms such as the National Safety Candy Development Fund, the China Culture Industry Fund, and various regional AI funds. Existing shareholders, including Dachin Jiji and Dunhong Capital, have also increased their stakes. Furthermore, the round attracted participation from prominent industry leaders, including China Biologic Products, CP Group, Kanglong Chemical, Motai Group, China Merchants Capital, and Wuzhou New Spring. This substantial investment underscores the growing market momentum for embodied AI technologies and provides ZhiPingFang with the necessary resources to accelerate its research, development, and industrial application in the field. According to a report by Lioness Zhaobao, the Japan-U.S. Resolute Dragon joint military exercise held a shooting drill on Sunday, June 28, which was open to the media. The exercise, a large-scale simulation of island defense, involves approximately 400 personnel from the Japan Ground Self-Defense Force and the U.S. Marine Corps. During the session, the troops demonstrated combat readiness by simulating an organized response to an invading enemy force, utilizing reconnaissance drones, mobile combat vehicles, and artillery to neutralize targets. The training also included scenarios for coordinated rifle fire and medical evacuation of injured personnel. Resolute Dragon, which has been conducted annually since 2021, is currently in its sixth iteration. The primary goal of the drill is to bolster the defensive capabilities of the Japan-U.S. alliance and demonstrate both nations' resolve in maintaining peace and stability in the Indo-Pacific region. The exercises are scheduled to conclude on June 30. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.